All right, we'd just like to apologize for the quality of the picture on that report. The picture was breaking up when we were recording it earlier live. Now, moving on to another story. The NPA head, Advocate Shamila Batohi, is facing a major decision on whether to prosecute 3 former Sars officials.
They've been charged in connection with a Sars investigative unit. The case was postponed by the North Gauteng High Court to allow the trio to make representations to Advocate Batohi.
The Sars trio include former Sars Deputy Commissioner Adv Pillay, making yet another court appearance. His 2 co-accused are Johann van Loggerenberg and Janse van Rensburg. It relates to a Sars unit, negatively tagged a rogue unit. They face charges relating to alleged unlawful bugging of the NPA offices in 2007. The trio have denied the charges. Now the matter is back in the NPA.
The request for the postponement arose a couple of days ago from the NPA, who requested an opportunity to have sufficient time to enable the new National Director of Public Prosecutions to properly consider the review of the decision to prosecute my clients. My clients obviously would have no objection to giving time to enable the new NDPP to consider the matter. In addition to that, we contend that there still hasn't been proper disclosure of all the documents which the state are obliged to disclose in the docket.
The NPA confirmed Batohi is assessing the case.
The National Director of Public Prosecutions will then have to look at the facts in its totality, like your facts in the docket, the facts contained in their request through these representations that they have submitted, and thereafter she'll then take a decision on whether or not prosecution should proceed in this matter.
The trio have alleged the charges are politically motivated. They say it was concocted by opponents of Public Enterprises Minister Pravin Gordhan, who was a former Sars commissioner. The unit first came into the public domain after a series of Sunday Times reports. The press ombudsman later ordered the weekend newspaper to retract its stories. The Times also apologized for getting its facts wrong. It was later learnt that this narrative was used to purge Sars of senior officials. This was under the watch of former Sars Commissioner Tom Moyane, later fired by President Ramaphosa. Sipho Sterman, SABC News, Pretoria.